Hey friends, it's Jennifer, and today we're going to do Jeny's Magic Cast On. So unlike the long tail cast on, you don't need a real long tail for this one. But I do like to start them off the same. So I make a little triangle, put the needle through, lift, slide up the thumb and down the finger, and we're going to draw all the way through and tighten that up. And all that does is put our first two stitches on there. You can do a slip knot instead if you prefer. So now we're actually going to go into the super stretchy cast on. We're going to go over the thumb from the outside to the inside, and we're going to hold the working yarn. Then we're going to take this first finger, slide it down the thumb and pop it over, and all that does is turn our loop the right direction. Then the needle goes down the finger, around the working yarn, and pulls it right back up through the loop. And then I'm going to hold it tight, kind of tight right here, and snug it up close. And then I'm going to pull and tighten it up. And you can see it makes like a little pearl bump right there. Let's do that again. So we go from the outside of the thumb to the inside, and I'm holding the working yarn with my 3 fingers. I'm going to take my first finger down the thumb and just flip that loop over so that our X crosses this direction. I'm going to take my needle and slide it down the finger, grab the working yarn and slide it back up. Now at the same time I pulled my thumb in there, I'm going to scoot it, snug it up tight next to the other stitches, kind of hold that with my first finger of my right hand, and then slide that back in. Let's do that again. Over the back of the thumb, flip it over with the finger, take the needle down the finger, around and loop it back up through, snug that one tight, and then pull it up. And that pulled a little bit. See how it did a little wonky there? So I just kind of play with that stitch until it lays flat. Otherwise I'm going to have sort of a loopy looking cast on. Over the back of the thumb. First finger drops in, flips it over, down the finger, around the working yarn and back up, snug it up tight and slide it over. One last time, a little quickly this time. There we go. And there's the super stretchy, Jeny's super stretchy cast on. Please remember to like and subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.